Another day, another box has made its way to my desk. This time, it's the Cloud Alpha S gaming headset from HyperX. Shoutout to Mr. Peter Villarosa of HyperX Philippines for providing this unit. Also, he gave this to me last year. Sorry it took so long, Peter. So the Cloud Alpha S is the sequel to the well-received Cloud Alpha. It improves a lot of the technologies that made the Cloud Alpha one of the best-rated gaming headsets in its time. Let's go check out the new Cloud Alpha S, shall we? From the outside, we're greeted with this sturdy box with a thick sleeve. It's not going to win any minimalism awards, but you do get the information about the product that you need. Custom-tuned 7.1 surround sound, bass adjustment sliders, and advanced audio control mixer. Alright. Removing the sleeve and going straight into the box, we're greeted with a thank you note from HyperX, a warranty support card, and the quick start guide. I'm not in a reading mood, so let's set them aside. We get a cloth carrying case. It's super soft and high quality. I love it. Inside it is the USB DAC. It's a clip type with 5 buttons on the front. Master volume up and down, game volume mix up, voice chat mix up, and a 7.1 surround button in the middle. There's also a mic mute button on the side. It's really well built, and I'm impressed at the cable braiding. But let's put that aside for now. The Cloud Alpha S in its box is encased in a dual plastic mold to protect it from bumps during shipping. Inside is the headset itself, the removable mic, and under that is the replacement cloth earpads. Let's take a closer look at the headset. Would you look at that? A proper beauty, this one. It's also kind of weighty, but we expected that because of the metal yokes. Overall build is, well, what you would expect from HyperX, which is fantastic. And I really dig this black and blue styling. Dare I even say that I like this colorway better than the red and black of the OG Alpha. The cable is kind of short because it would have to connect to the USB DAC we saw earlier, but it is the same quality braided wire. Here are the bass adjustment sliders, one of the new technologies of the headset. It's supposed to control the amount of bass you hear by changing the amount of air that resonates inside of the dual chamber speakers. With all that out of the way, let's have a quick test, shall we? So now I've got the Cloud Alpha S connected to my PC with 7.1 surround sound off, max volume, and the bass slider set to maximum bass. How does it sound? Well, like the Cloud Alpha before, it sounds really good. It sounds amazing. The stock leather earpads are very comfortable too, really soft, and the clamping force is just right. I'm sorry if I'm shouting, there's music pumping into my ears. Also, my phone is very noisy. Alright, that's good. Let's replace the stock earpads with the cloth ones. They're easy to remove. Alright. I just realized that this is one of the few times that you guys still see me on camera. I don't do on-camera stuff anymore. Do you guys want me to do more on-camera stuff? Because on my other channel, Rental TV, we found that videos where I am visible to the camera don't really perform that well. So it's like people don't really like seeing me. People like hearing my voice, but they don't want to see me. So now we've got the cloth earpads installed. These are the replacement ones that come with the Cloud Alpha S, and yeah, we're gonna test them out. They sound good. Because usually earpads kind of affect how headphones sound, so let's play some music. Alright. Well, from a comfort standpoint, they're very comfortable because they're way more breathable than the pleather ones. I don't know if I prefer these though. With music, the bass is kind of muted, which is to be expected with cloth earpads. But for first impressions, man, these really sound good. These sound great. I mean, I didn't expect anything less from HyperX, especially when the OG Cloud Alpha sounded really good. I mean, this is just an improvement. I love it. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the HyperX Cloud Alpha S gaming headset. Do you have any questions about it that you would like to be answered in the full review? Let me know in the comments. As always, please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more straight-to-the-point unboxings like this. My previous video was my unboxing of one of my Grail sneakers, the Nike acronym Presto Mid. Have you seen it yet? Go watch it. It's pretty good. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!